How to get custom text on your stand and please donate. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox Please Donate tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the text that's displayed on your stand so you can change the font and change the colors. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up a browser and navigate to pleasedonatetext.com. Once you get there, scroll down and you'll see this area here where you can enter your desired text. Basically, this site allows us to enter whatever text we want on our stand and please donate, and then we can pick the font and the color, and then it will output the code for that. So enter the text you want on your stand in the first box, then choose the font you want. There's plenty to choose from. I recommend trying them. And then we can choose our color. So select the little black area. Then we could choose the color for our font. So I'll do blue. After that, we choose the stroke thickness, and this is basically going to be the border around your text. I think that makes it look cool. And then you could choose the color of the stroke. After that, just select copy at the bottom, then go back to please donate, open up please donate, walk up to an unclaimed stand, and then go to edit this stand once you've claimed it, and just paste that text in there, hit apply, and there you go. You now have new custom text on your stand and please donate. All right, so that's how you get custom text on your stand and please donate. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox Please Donate tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.